Skin conditions linked with diabetes. Diabetes is the fastest growing long-term, chronic disease, affecting millions of people across the globe. About a third of people with diabetes will develop skin problems such as skin sores or a leg rash. Some skin problems can be warning signs of diabetes in those who are undiagnosed. Many diabetes skin problems can happen to healthy people, but people with diabetes have a much higher risk. Controlling your blood glucose is the first step in preventing and treating diabetes skin problems. When diabetes affects your skin, causing skin sores or diabetes rash, it is a sign your blood sugar levels are too high. If you notice any skin problems, it is time to talk to your doctor. Get tested for diabetes if you have yet to be diagnosed. Work with your doctor and diabetes nurse educator to learn how to control your diabetes with diet, exercise, and medications, if needed. Certainly. Here are some common signs of diabetes on the skin in more detail. 1. Dry, itchy skin. Diabetes can lead to dry skin due to high blood sugar levels, which can cause dehydration. Additionally, diabetes can affect nerve function, leading to itching sensations. 2. Acanthosis nigricans. This condition is characterized by dark, thick, and velvety skin patches. It commonly occurs in areas with folds and creases, such as the armpits, neck, groin, and back of the neck. Acanthosis nigricans is often associated with insulin resistance, which is a common precursor to type 2 diabetes. 3. Skin infections. People with diabetes are more susceptible to skin infections due to compromised immune function and high blood sugar levels that provide a favorable environment for bacteria, fungi, and yeast. Common infections include bacterial infections. These can cause redness, swelling, warmth, pain, and pus formation. Common bacterial infections in people with diabetes include cellulitis and stys, infection of the eyelid glands. Fungal infections. Candida albicans is a type of yeast that can cause infections in moist areas of the body, such as the armpits, groin, and between the toes. Symptoms may include redness, itching, and a rash-like appearance. Yeast infections. The most common yeast infection associated with diabetes is oral thrush, which affects the mouth and tongue. It can cause white patches, redness, and soreness. 4. Slow-healing wounds. Diabetes can impair the body's ability to heal wounds due to poor blood circulation and nerve damage. Even minor cuts, bruises, or blisters may take longer to heal. This is particularly concerning for foot ulcers, as they can lead to serious complications in people with diabetes. 5. Skin discoloration. Diabetes can cause changes in skin color, which may present as yellowish skin. This can occur due to the buildup of a substance called bilirubin, which is normally processed by the liver. Diabetes-related liver problems can cause jaundice and yellowing of the skin, reddish or brownish skin. Diabetes can affect blood vessels, leading to changes in skin color. This may appear as reddish or brownish patches, particularly on the shins and lower legs. These patches are known as diabetic dermopathy. 6. Skin tags. Skin tags are small, soft, flesh-colored growths that hang off the skin. They can develop in areas of friction, such as the neck, armpits, and groin. While skin tags are common and usually harmless, they are more prevalent in people with diabetes. 7. Diabetic dermopathy, also known as shin spots. This condition involves light brown or reddish oval-shaped patches that usually appear on the shins. The exact cause is unknown, but it is believed to be related to changes in blood vessels. Diabetic dermopathy is harmless and generally does not require treatment. Remember, while these skin changes can be associated with diabetes, they can also occur due to other factors. If you notice any unusual skin symptoms, it's important to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and appropriate management. Hope you liked the video and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and support our channel, Miss Healthy.